Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today we are talking about a very beautiful and talented Instagram dance, Debjani Mandal. She is becoming very popular on Instagram dance of her slow motion saree, graceful and elegant dance style. Many people love her reel because she dances slowly with smooth movement and wear different colorful saree that look very beautiful. So in today's video we will talk about her dance style, Instagram popularity, fashion look and why people love her video so much. So let's start the video. Who is Debjani Mandal? Debjani Mandal is an Instagram reel creator and dancer who is gaining attention for her graceful dance video. She mostly creates short dance reel where she performs in a very club and slow motion dance style. Her videos are simple but very attractive because she focuses on body movement and elegant saree dance. Debjani also shows that you do not always need fast or dance move. Sometimes slow and graceful dance movement can look even more beautiful. That is one of the main why many people enjoy watching her reel again and again. Saree dance style. One special thing about Debjani Mandal video is her saree dance performance. She often wear different colors of saree like red, blue, pink and many other beautiful shades. Colorful saree make her dance look more traditional and stylish. Her dance style is mostly slow motion dance. Instead of a step, she moves her hand and body smoothly and graceful, which creates a very relaxing and aesthetic video. Many viewers say that her dance look very elegant and graceful. That is why her reel often get thousands of likes and views. Today, Instagram reels are one of the fastest way to become popular, and Debjani Mandal understands this very well. She creates short and attractive dance clips that are perfect for reel. Her video usually include beautiful saree look, slow motion dance move, attractive smooth camera, trending music. Because of this collaboration, her reel look very professional and eye-catching. Many people share her video which help her become more viral on Instagram. Another reason people follow Debjani Mandal is her fashion and traditional look. She often chooses simple but elegant saree that highlights her beauty. Her stylish makeup and also perfectly with the dance style. Instead of heavy stylish, she keeps her look natural and graceful. This makes her video look aesthetic, and many fans say that her smile and make the dance even more beautiful. There were why people enjoy Debjani Mandal dance reel. First, her dance is slow and graceful, which reels